My guest is already seated in the building. Me who guest now say wani get with them no. Sister with them me no da. Me na me nyese me no keke me sa jinidi. I believe it. Akosua I made no introduction. Akosua.
Yes.
Akosua Mantey. Hey, okay, makeup tone. Akosua ye makeup artist or HB Elegance a camp HB Elegance makeup mu guru our denta. Award winning makeup artist my makeup ho crada. My couple of makeups are me tire or studio. Me sound crowd kwa makeup class or mo. Until I know HB Elegance and I know Akosua. Me buy Akosua and check me eyebrow Tony. Akosua. Okay, makeup tone.
But sure.
I'm a makeup school, me pacho. Mr. My makeup school near there. Don't pressure me, people. Don't pressure me. Akosua. A 6-day makeup marathon. Akosua Mantey. Necessary 3rd April to 8th of April. Venue near him.
Legon City Mall.
Hey. 6 days non-stop.
6 days, 6 nights.
Do you have your audience already? Do you have your people?
Yes, we have a couple of models are almost done by and open to the public in Tino. Wow, we hear makeup.
Me here because me come baby.
So me chewu. O free ho no any le o de anya feeding pass o ba begina ho ba chi.
Na
dia bed.
Dia bed juma.
No.
Me ba papa me gina mu de de.
Uru 7 now gia 8:30 si kwan so say na time be bo no wa ba.
Maba. What's me beji makeup me na chi se beji dance here.
Pa.
Me pa cho ye wo Facebook say si ya be hwa Akosua ani mu makeup Onua na ye na de. Onua na ye imagine so ye we ya ma wa. Akosua, jene ma we so be makeup marathon ye.
So unim say me ankasa me obi a say meji enema edi mpuntu eba ade a educate e promote me ni je ho so obi ya ade a fe me ni je ho say me push nipa no but me makeup me no na ma wo makeup ni mo those say my elegance honoma so my makeup for like 8 years but me who say ye industry no ye nyin. There are a lot of things in our industry people don't pay attention to. And now you cannot do anything without a beauty person. Ye cry but I say a banner on my hun somni on my one near my say beauty industry ye shut down my the accolades we need.
I think someone am pushing mo enough.
Intino me take this upon myself to promote the beauty industry. Me perceive the world know what we have in Ghana. Let them know say your Ghana made brands are air cost yanka say Ghana for entrepreneurs. Ebi makeup product.
Ebi foundation. Exactly.
And so makeup artists for any but about so for baby into this is an opportunity to promote, to let the world know say you will be that chibi say to kwa American na so kope foundation na ura safora na who say Ghana ni de na ho amenya sure so obepa ho akọ. Aha into no me promote what we have, the beauty industry as a whole into ye nyina ye dia
into we use the made in Ghana products
ebi omom ebinum mame omom ne ma omoye say ebi mo ye but you say obi o willingly she wants to give you things to use into omom mama
no advertising.
Thank you omom mama me omo dia me use die and die eno na me use na other foreign brands but LA Girl Ghana omo branch wa ha into ona no mame ene ma.
Oh, this is nice.
LA Ghana is on board, Evita Joseph is on board, Chava Cosmetics is on board, Shaded Beauty, Ghana Niba, and Oye products, Kaja brushes.
Ma ko fela makafui.
Ye trauma no baton.
Only Ghana.
My money mail, my money from TikTok, Instagram, all the
fela my announcement because she would love to be part of this.
My message.
My announcement fela makafui message from Pong. Akosua Mantey ekoye makeup marathon, and I know you have wonderful makeup products. I have personally used them before. Our foundation, our eyebrow pencils, eyeshadow,
blush,
varieties. Fela makafui. Or Fela best sponsor. I know Fela was sponsor her. I know Fela. I mean, you say because I make up a 7 year.
You make up
a last year Ghana ni entrepreneur.
Oh yeah, makeup.
Only makeup brand. Until she has to come on board. She will come on board. I know fella she is a lovely. Almost me anymore, but me say fella. Oh who ye?
Mama no
Robert
email proposal. Mama no on the WhatsApp. My call TikTok everywhere. Me huni be a man. But
fella who be reply. Robert to fella grandma me say fella wanted the product ni here for makeup marathon. Me Adwuma. 3rd April.
Next week Tuesday 12 a.m. again near the Ashim 12 a.m.
Into
gain near the Ashishaso.
Into we hear more makeup products and I say you are set.
I be buy but you send any pardon will be how you know quote to me Emma no brand Nikakra.
Yes.
Uncle who said the tia. Toby. Inti and yama bema yen beauty industry nenyi no. Aha until you be crowd per vendor a phone so per so baby ton dear ton hair be a fa beauty Emma beba. Baby, I want a center of Wisconsin UPS Legon School. Into one case, imagine a my baby bought a
restrainedness.
Aha, into Bibia wouldn't say what Tom. We have to make it look like a fair.
Yes,
a breaking record, and so a fair Uber to me making money out of it. And we are praying and hopefully say, ye be follow rules in a way. And ya maybe ya do rules, but I want din.
Ebine de what we at the BD.
Oh, 1 hour for 1 hour or less for nipa baako. After nipa baako, what 10 seconds set or for a betting kunyum. So 10 seconds will be a betting more ashiegu. Very tight one.
Very tight one.
Very tight.
What 10 seconds to what?
10 seconds for the next person to sit in your seat right after we yes.
Why you 1 hour na we?
Why you 1 hour na less? We 45 or 50 minutes. The next person also tell kunyum 10 seconds. One today kunyum ma ashiegu.
You know also coordinator no man so ye
very intino a solid team obia playing a role cause little mistake between me causing a lot.
Does the makeup has to be perfect?
Sure say they are looking at perfection, but I am looking at perfection because at the same time I am also promote my brand. Perfection. I would make sure because we are giving you perfect. At least we'll skin on point. Bibia be smooth. We'll browse. Well, I had the amidity here. Me be ma wa obet me the ako baby.
Exactly.
Intini bibia would be
full glam
and full glam. They tell you say it should be full glam. Bibia be full and yes we be a free mo untumi nyi eyeliner and untumi nyi mascara bibia eyeshadow e was say on
highlight
bibia lip bibia and say the who set ya meditate a full glam untumi nya enjebi
sanity na ko sha na we musician na wa anya singaton na wo be ye makeup marathon.
The music glam wa mi o be to nyum no mama DJ ni wa hakro hwehwe me nyum ba akomo de ye
DJ hwe na nyum ma me bonyum ne no hwe
twisign freaching kumi guitar bone ye me se nyum me bo a me
maya capella omo nyinni
me bo nyum na ye nto me ye inzo aye nsom and na me sister ne sa dia me fa nkopa adwuma nsua because a chrome had the one san adwuma o eye adie bi a me meka kire any young girl me say 6 to 9 adwuma kra look for nsan adwuma as your part time se wo hwe na wabrɛ wa ha that nsan adwuma na say wo hobby no can do a lot for you
me suati like barbering
papa
and no me go so me sua me be yi me boy me na me you ti me komo bia so so obadwo say me na me yi
thank you
inti me sua me ye babaton babaraton na just say ye de namu ano DJ ko wo hu ama me oguso a wo hwehwe
DJ hwehwe
me ne je mo pa
my capella oguso me ba mentor
na me ni so ba mentor o ba mentor
enti me gina afidie we so ato nkra de ama TV trip was e omu station na me begina ayeto onwoma wi ni ayi enti no mesro mo a from ochina ko interview na so mo de bobo so back to back
Akosua my capella of
Trisino.
Ai. Oh. DJ Guso awope.
DJ hwehwe.
O hwehwe nti my capella kasa. Ja.
And the old view.
Na mo so wana me Akosua. The me ka boju jeja wonye jame. It is so my capella.
Okay. Senor, what's in my samasi? You and I will go places. Odo you do me, said you do me. Meaning bear with me, baby. So ladies, munchin sign, munchin sign. Munchin sign, munkope modie. Munchin sign, the ordinary dear munchin sign, the benkumujio. Now munchin sign, munchin sign. I say, Masha Musha short skirts, ni bikini, eyelashes, my makeup, modi chirano. Hey, darling, you will be review. That's 9 years ago. I'm using your lyrics. Look, I'm review.
Now, what a trauma.
Oh, and you wait there, come guitar and trauma, and on one me feature also. Oh,
now Tenenka.
Kumi. I thought the guitar and a tea. That's it. And Tunisia, yeah, per strings for Frody. I shall not see your bar. High life music at the Mamono.
Also, to be better for me, also turning crack. No, we make up and I say, aha, why by TRTs, I'm never trust you. And I willingly if you want to come and pass.
See, I know the other. Me percent me how be because it will be. But one kasa wo pemu e bia wonya wo free time be wo pese wo femu na wo tonyo because I know say the likes of obibini ni we mu ade de at least one in a way me so ma help you more in a way or more hand e bia mo be fam na kakra na ye nyina ya kokko ye nimu a ebe kama nti obi a opese oba on board bi obi abetumi aba we are doing this we be ebe ma online na koso what I say me say me bomb pie say time will come you will get a whole ministry for beauty industry and you say be a shebi ase because
on its own
because me catch us said the beauty industry I employ amount for and I want to say unemployment who say swati see obia once anu djuma
just no be shop
be into the beauty industry need ye kra man ni mu ankasa into na I was say ebedu baby na buy ni to me twa omani be share na other countries no so no beauty first ni ade no me who say ye nkrofo ni binum ewurawura mu ni ade time will come yes, you betumi aye den. Ejina ye nice.
Ejina mona so. Be your bosses.
Yes.
You have a vision. You have a great vision.
Enyum no. Enyum ni ebo no. Me ni ba me baby, so ladies. Or the cherami now we delete we see me him I wanna come mutini ya meka nko no believe it on kana mayo me treating it sorry me so me dem compared come on deji akura ji ewie enti ataji mary at den I'm on jeans mon jeans mon kope mo die mon jeans the ordinary dia mon jeans even kumujio na mon jeans when you freestyle my freestyle
mon jeans menya media obi anko na chi menya media mon jeans ngopre Akosua this is a beautiful song
enya easy so nyom no akati esis
enya hwe you baby akọ baby nya hwe now Akosua back to the makeup marathon no between hours and break and the same night here
1 hour biano or 5 minutes to say 1 hour bia or 5 minutes you can accumulate it I saw 4 hours now waji 20 minutes oh yeah 5 hours cry 20 minutes now beji intino me 4 hours na mako 20 minutes the attend say o person will take a long breaker me reading me team ne entiase ne say 20 minutes no opa obetumi take 5 minutes per wom now why 15 minutes ne carry forward thank you to be so because na say me see we ye ne dey take long break bi na ye nim secret no me ye nim say because as I'm talking to you now I have an example copy of the Guinness World Record for omo log rest sheet no state wo mu say 20 minutes obetumi spend 5 now why you kind of carry forward imagine say every 4 hours be I would just 15 minutes after 3 days now wa brow 15 oboabo no a obetumi dey take long rest now wa ba inti sa niam na say sometimes no ya nti niam na say na ebiti inti no I am learning from all angle obi a waye bi a we receive bi obi o ye bi a bibi touch ma I am learning from a show of obi a videos to make sure say anye yi no I'll go according to the rules na nyame nso be hu ye mobo na ebi a odin kudimdie abrain so we are hoping say this time around and enkoye to say the I no but say you follow rules nyina echi na se omusa ye se de omu ye ne nka mesre se Ghana fo nyina ye ntu ya no nguso kai se Hilda de emra na certificate ne ma no ye nyina ye tu ya no gu so everywhere
Ghana for the ye pekasa e ya na ye sinya
anche ene ye de buy into this time around ne de so omusa eye biom de wo se ye nyinara ye tu oma no gu so na omu kire ye de enti poti enti
omu ye sadie no
so on person mu di ye ho fe so ani hu but enkopim say certificate ni bi beba krom ade ye begu so aye ton
no ma mom ye o ma fa buku na make betete o betete buku no
ekura berry
Akosua o apply na how many days they take you and no more accept
so apply it takes 12 weeks.
Oh wow.
It take 12 weeks and sana oma away but hopefully minim dey buy me apply na ancha 2-3 weeks or something and I me nim say abampo just checking my mail na me so I reply na
na do you know cross our record we ne friend saying
or in Nigeria ni
okay
but no ye 24 hours but omo ma we aware say other countries are also attempting into no me person me yet to say 2-3 days na
obi akọ break you know
and you say before ya ho odin de ne emfa enye 5-6 days no into en de bi ebedru hokro bi break kra na at least me wani
kakra so into aboa wo ho
yegu
one medical team akasa
yegu so me ohwe a me masseuse net ho no ono na be pemu isi ano enye sponsors no enafom me catch all baby me proposals akoda sika cash sponsor kra wunye bi nti wo se bibia free wo botom na wo de ye
for the meantime
to ba ho na be share the kind of investment my ya obehu say enya agro bi na ye a whole makeup station no ye setting say makeup studio ankasa nti ne che say a whole lot nti ye hia amanfo wo moso yasene obi tie mi no ye sponsor on be so yasene en say hwe on be so yasene nkunimdie ni ba ye nyina ye be bosse
because Ghana we are doing this in the name of Ghana
Ghana senka metimekura say do
no crepa Ghana we are putting Ghana on the map
we have to raise the flag they be am come see if you want to do anything it won't hurt anybody enkumo bia enha obia na say edeniema pa na bebro man ya push it and do it
nsi glass no mo na be provide na glass mo na mo bitwa ne ha mo na mo twa glass no ha
ya na ye bibia glass by
de mo be hye mu no
ni nyina wa na wo ye
mega se Guinness for ne be cra dia bro
Debi inti ye no yenye hon like in Legon City Mall for na e space mi inti me mboki biki oni bi o mama ye I say a shop space aye ni nyina ye glass
okay
inti Legon City for na de ho
ma wo
ba twan
a whole affiliate ho dada na so the proposal na ko and they were willing to sponsor
a proposal ne nyame adom me ka say adom because me do one man kasa 2 minutes impo mankasa 2 minutes impo see when hu baby a weni gi ana na msi a me point say no see ye nko see ha na
to be ni finfin wa na be ni
into glass ni mu ano inside the glass no na ye raise makeup station no
na to chest nyina wo ho no
bibia lighting production
na wanya backup for models no unim say Ghana for ne se be disappointment obeka se ne yamutu Akosua me ntumi ma na obe short what pe backup there
ya pe backup ene ye wo obi nso ono ne de ne say obe looking for the models into no say ye na say ohun say obi ni ho wherever you have to enter to bring that person
obi bra
also kosua crowd de fre kosua ne be korua no mbe so a ye twima ne wi a ya be to kosua ne bia ama
no eye pa se mo de meje se gu akwan mu eye ntotoye
be wo sa wo ba
na mama na me
wa madia because when you tue die
enyam papa
and as I week Ruben's laser
me see me ko adwuma ne se me gina me so na papa me tue na ba adwuma and e chia na sa be tue 6 days me no one e tue me bana mo don se ma me de se ma me de
na ko
ma me de it what obi a shade
obi a ye what the darkest person
sir
actually
This will be very interesting to watch.
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
And then you bet the big TV be see anim so we project into who need makeup be a crana. Who bet na you bet me as she said yeah no. It is not about breaking a record, but it's about educating. You be say who say me yeah ube who
it says this no kwa constantly almost the know
why perfect. The other be chu anim akwa adwuma de. Ubenya. Pachoan.
This will be fun. This will be fun, pa. And they say the way you make up na no mo komo bia because time no
komo bobie no until before aberem no your the obeje o belongings into yes into we are ewie wa na wa
ba. Obo how you make up person yes snap no wo pre ho no mo be ne say.
And no ya backdrop camera into we are wakwa kogina ho na watwa there will be photographers professional ones on betwa before and after of the obeye bia until we kra na watare fa utumi gina no ya ye shoot camera.
And ye meba mesa bode ropa na de hu ye me ye pa ye fela makafo yi Mrs. from Pon me say won ye because me say me using the makeup product oh beauty by fela a quality makeup product she would love to be on board and to me bompa see we show ya yi Robert in twa ha ne kakra me fa send no now more products me say she will give you products for you to do this because it's a form of advertisement for her brand ni ade.
Na o aka chen so mfa Kwame Benjamin kakra ento so say e bo ampesi e betwi eyi
Kwame Benjamin discussem
Kwame Benjamin me kan ya no
Akosua Akosua prima me ba jo guso a wotie onua 95.1 FM Adwuma sunie me ne Akosua Mantey Rosalind na e bon komo na Akosua makeup artist acquire the longest makeup marathon Guinness Book of Record. When we say Ghana no aduane nyeza ya to nyom na no ya longest one Chef Smith kumasi ni de okodai Chef Abra Boatma okodai omo ma meka kire obani so obeda me magina ho wo ba because kumasi ni wada sam na ye bodo kura wonte ehu Akosua beda me ye ha ye ho ma because ye ba no wada ye be di udwuma
papa na nka o hwe me ameja ayi me nana no magufie sembe jina wa beda
di jaja omo wo fie oye photo shoot and to kura no wo beda ye so beda man bi nsase ahye Akosua beda ye be ha o menna nyaminti mentally physically psychologically are you prepared?
Yes, surprisingly no me yem kura nhehye me.
Okay.
I don't know.
That's how we mention because it's something you've been doing.
Me yemu nhehye me and my dream so no me put a lot of pressure on my mind in say how it will go me however it would end we are starting even if we don't get any me also yenya no we are best start se nipa megina ho ye best start ya kopem se
oh say what they show trim say nipa man say nice because first day no nipa na ebe reluctant kakra third basic that I'm checking that
Wednesday it's best started 12 years best started 12 Tuesday like 12 a.m.
How much 12
a.m. ade beche no na gegu so into no hopefully mean himself by Friday Saturday Sunday weekend
na
people are coming around
me pacho ye be makeup marathon Legon City Mall ye center of Accra o ko hia ho na abefa so obesia komadina ho na abefa ukole go school ho na abefa untume nye bypass abe a wonfa ho nom enti e besere obia onfo odosronko embeta Akosua chi na be onbehwe makeup no unde o mehwe bia besua and abetumi so kura ase nya boy na girl because obia baby
aso no obetumi kura nya adwuma wo ho
yes
because nkofo beba obi wo ho e boss e bia we me pay adwuma and yes we can do a lot of things connecting ni ade take contact share ideas a whole lot won say bibia to say yehia enye say ye be hwa ade keke e wo say wotumi associate sociable wo ho be wie na wanyenya contact bia say wohia bibi na ofra nipa ne betumi aboawo say what you say Akosua yes ye dem paibo ta wachi pa se yemi Adwuma third no erade ma wa hoden sronko no ma yokudru honhom ne tumi fa go through because to wake up one day say me take this journey and I say this decision no e bold heart nko enkofo bibre be pese omo beye but omo hia obi ama na start asa na omo kra tumi etu sa na mo no but what heavy way no e dia tum aye bon pa say de
Singleton any chef filer force and to any chef filer or more disqualified no. So wako show more the own didn't be a disqualify or montino. What to near ye. Tia Bompire say, Area, never bet to me go through my Ghana so no. Yes, we near a dim boy in Munyam Shakasia
pa any issue but mamenda I encophobia
Domasi.
aha meda Legon City for ase meda board ni nyina ase omo aye ade nye obia no be bie ni nsem ama meda Evita Joseph for ase for product ni amamo de mame Shaded Beauty mame niema Color Box support me Chava Cosmetics Girl Ghana and me ankasa me able team and then NASPA for their measure and then Gifty Harriet and so mama near ma measure cause a be or how person was sharing na tire I mean sure na me da me able team say well a kind of job or more ye going miles or a be and that just to make sure say be because so and then my masseuse he's doing amazing what me rounds be making sure say or them be checking my health to make sure say be enko and I met that Onua say Madam me bra penny kwa mini papa no oh mini papa no na madao ase ai nyame nhramo se mo ma me kwan and na fom sa nkrofo ye bi nso obi nya kwan kra ma radio so nyame nhrao se mo ma me kwan ma me betena ha e ka dia me pese me ye nyame nhrao
eno Akosua nyame wo hra pa ene adwen etechira wo koye nyame kwan ni mokomam ene ni say you have positive mindset Bibia be go through positively ama wo ne obia who is in support of this journey. I mean can ho bebre.
Amen.
Akosua edase.
Meso bedase.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,